Alright, Pete, today I'm gonna be a lot of that shit. I'm gonna be installing a police radar on my car because I live in Cali and CHP be outside and I don't got time for that shit. To be getting tickets, all that other shit. I'm not even trying to jinx myself, but shit, I'm gonna be installing this shit today. Hopefully I ain't gotta use no tools because if I do, I'm gonna be shit out of luck. Alright, we at the car right now. I'm gonna give y'all a little startup. Damn, let me not break this shit already. Alright, so adjust suction cut bracket to ensure it's level with the road. Alright, I guess I'll just put it like this. Let me see, how the fuck do other niggas put their shit? I want my shit looking stupid. Alright. Well, let me just put that bitch in here. Volt. Use that bitch anyway. Fuck it. So y'all put it in. Alright, turn this bitch on. Damn. I want to break that too. Don't get my ass. I know I gotta get gas. Oh, I gotta turn this. Oh, this bitch turning on. Okay. It's loud, bro. So how you turn this bitch on? Search again. Team. I'll hook that right now. I'm finna take my car to Dodge to get my spark plugs replaced. That's gonna be like $400, which I don't want to spend, but I don't want my car running bad. So I got this hooked up. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go inside and eat. I'm gonna come back and like do little test runs on the highway. All right, I'm back from getting me a little grub in. Finna take this bitch to test out, and I'm finna stop at the Dodge dealership so I can get my shit, my spark plugs replaced. So. So right now I'm getting gas, and I still have not got like a little. I still haven't. This bitch still hasn't gone off. So we're gonna keep driving and see what the fuck happens. All right, we just got a little bit of gas, and now I'm about to. Let me give y'all like a little. I don't think I. So this does work. You see it. It let me know about the cop because there's a cop right there, and it did go off. So this does work. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch some more cops, which is crazy to say, on my way to the shop. Right now.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah.
Hey,
what you about to do?
Those. We're going to buy wheels right now. I'm actually like, this is a real vlog.
Oh, it's a real vlog.
Yeah,
what's the name?
Line Fire.
Line Fire.
Yeah, we uploaded some party content. We have another video.
Shit. I'm gonna try to hurry up before my phone does.
Okay. Oh, I don't have your Instagram?
No. See, it's on 2%.
Okay. You're part of Striker Boys?
Oh, you seen that shit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Block.
Hey. You'll find out soon. You'll find out soon.
Are you gonna be?
I can do magic. It ain't shit coming through here. Why? We control the traffic. Get down the